this is Bulletproof warm-up session number 1, and we're going to start off with an L hang progression. So on the first round, you're going to do a hanging tuck hold for 60 seconds. We're just trying to keep your upper legs parallel to the ground, so don't need to get your knees too high. You'll hold that for 60 seconds. Alright, so once you've done that, we're going to move on to our different Scap variations. The first one is a Scap pull-up, and you're going to do 20 reps of this. The key here is keeping your elbows locked out whilst pulling your scaps back and down and then relaxing. So 20 reps of that. Then we're going to move on to a 4-position plank with side extension. So the way this is going to work is you're going to start off by doing a plank on your hands for 10 seconds. And once you've done that, you're then going to do a side plank for 10 seconds as well. So you'll hold front plank for 10 seconds, side plank for 10 seconds. Once you've held that side plank for 10 seconds, you're going to do 5 side extensions. So with these, I'm just trying to keep my torso as straight as possible and not twist or pivot at my hips. Just have your hips go straight up and down. Then you're going to do a reverse plank for 10 seconds as well. Key here is to get your hips as high as possible to the sky. Then we'll swap to the other side. We'll do a side plank on our other arm. Once again, hold for 10 seconds. And then do 5 side extensions on that side as well. So you can see here, I'm not twisting too much in my hips side to side. I'm just going straight up and down. All right, now, the duck walk. All right, today's animal movement is the duck. So the way this is going to work, you're going to squat down as low as you can. If that's not all the way down, that's fine, just as low as you can. And then you're going to shuffle forwards, keeping your feet flat on the ground the whole time. So it's a flat foot takeoff and a flat foot land. I'm avoiding rolling onto my toes whilst I'm walking. All right, so you'll do forwards and backwards of that. And that's round 1. All right, round 2. Back to our L hang progression. This time we're going to do an L hang, and we're going to hold this for 60 seconds. Now, with any of these, if you need to break, that's fine, but you'll keep counting the 60 seconds. So the goal is to hold that position for as long as possible during that 60 seconds. All right. Next of our Scap variations is the Scap push-up. Once again, our elbows don't move here. We keep our elbows locked out, and we retract our shoulder blades for 20 reps. Same as the pull-up. Alright. So once we've done that, we're going to go back and repeat our 4-position plank with the extension. So you'll do a 10-second plank on your hands as the front plank, then a 10-second side plank, and then the 5 side extensions on the side, 10-second reverse plank, then you'll swap to the other side, hold for 10 seconds, and then do 5 reps of the extensions on that side. Right, once again, back to the duck. So even if you can't get all the way down here, that's fine. Just squat down as low as you can and still try and retain that flat foot position all the way along. This will really test your hips. Right, now to be honest, this was actually a lot harder than what it looked. So you're going to do an L hang flutter by keeping your legs straight. You're going to kick up and down. Then you're going to kick side to side, and then you're going to make outward circles and inward circles. And you're going to do that for 15 seconds each. So 4 different positions, doing that for 15 seconds in each position. All right, next Scap variation is the Scap handstand push-up. And with this, you'll kick over to a handstand, and then same as before, I'm trying to not bend my elbows, and you'll find that you won't have much movement there at all, but I'm just trying to elevate and depress my shoulder blades there. If you can't quite do the handstand Scap, just revert back to a push-up Scap. Right, then you're going to repeat the 4-position plank once again, so 10 seconds to the front, 10 seconds to the side with 5 extensions, 10 seconds in reverse, 10 seconds on the other side with extensions, and then finish once again with our duck. Right, so you go forwards, you go backwards, and that's it.